For over 5 years, I've driven full-time for Uber. It's a hustle, and it pays very little. Health insurance is a luxury I just can't afford. The road is my office, my lunchroom, my life. The low wages, the long hours, the constant sitting, it all takes its toll. I'm in my mid-40s, the prime of life for many, but without health insurance, it feels like a countdown. All I have is my car, my resolve, and the open road. Health, that's something I can't compromise. Without insurance, my only shot at staying healthy is through diet and exercise. Each day, I greet the morning with a 20-minute ride on my Peloton Bike Plus. Then, after clocking miles on the road, I hop back on it again for another 30 minutes. This isn't just a routine, it's a commitment, a pledge to my well-being. I don't have the luxury of friends or girlfriends, on purpose. I am still very kind and generous to all of my passengers and those I share the road with and come into contact with every day. My focus is on what matters most, my body. Every day, I take my vitamins and supplements in the afternoon. It's my insurance policy, my way of keeping my body healthy. I start with 500 milligrams of vitamin C, a tablet of vitamin B, a Medicap, fiber capsule, and 5,000 international units of vitamin D. I also take a triple-strength fish oil capsule, a tablespoon of high-grade extra virgin olive oil, and a 250 milligram tablet of magnesium every day. I only drink RO water, and I drink water only and eat no solid food, basic fast for 3 days, twice a year. This is my life, my routine. It's what I need to do to stay alive until I can afford proper health insurance. Staying healthy without insurance is a struggle, but it's a struggle I choose every day. In the face of adversity, I've found solace in diet and exercise. Riding my Peloton twice a day, taking my daily vitamins, fasting biannually, and drinking water are my lifelines in this journey. These practices are my health insurance and my health security. I am Rideshare Sean. This is my story, my journey. Remember, health isn't a luxury, it's a necessity.